So up until this point, I think we have established that HeyGen is great at analyzing biometric data of different faces, and with you inputting the script, turning this whole thing into an AI generated video, right? Now, here's the thing. We talked about cloning yourself and creating avatars of other people and fusing your clone self with other people's avatars to create new looks and new scenes and different scenes again for your content. But what if I told you that you can actually also do this with just a simple photo? That's exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this lesson right here. So in this lesson, we're going to be taking different photographs, right, of like just a random subject. It could be yourself, it could be your dog, it could be literally anything. And we're going to be combining these photos with a script to create AI generated videos and AI generated content just as simply as that without needing to have to go through the process of creating an avatar and like scanning ourselves and all that stuff. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. This right here is the photo to video section inside of HeyGen. And as you can see, it couldn't be more basic. On the left side of the screen, we pretty much are able to upload and drag and drop like a just basic, straightforward photograph here. And it says for best results, choose a photo that's at least 720p with a clear view of a face. Now, these are just some sample photos that HeyGen actually suggest us to use. This could be, for example, a great photo because you can see we have this subject in the middle of the frame. It is well lit. We have a background of a gym, and we can just keep on refreshing and choosing like different photos with different subjects. So let's refresh here. You can choose this photo, for example, right, which also has a vintage look. You can choose this photo, which is like a completely, again, animated photo. It doesn't need to be a physical human being. You can choose this photo, which is just like a drawing, right? So let's actually go ahead and choose this drawing, which is, more challenging, right? You can see that we're going to be bring this drawing to life, right? And then, so again, it doesn't need to be just a conventional photo of you or someone in front of the camera. It could be literally anything that has like a face, right? It could be a dog, it could be an animation, it could be a drawing, it could literally be anything. And on the right side of the screen, we're going to be inputting our script. Again, we can type script, we can have a sample script generated just for the sake of demonstration, right? And let's just keep on creating sample scripts. So check this out. This is a sample script, for example, we made. I've learned that people forget what you said, forget what you did, but they'll never forget how you made them feel, right? And now we choose the voice. So the voice could be my voice from like the voice clone that we have, or we can browse voices on voice library because obviously like this photo doesn't have a voice. So it's now time to give like, again, our photo a voice. So let's go to HeyGen library. And of course we can go ahead and design our voices and like engineer a voice with a prompt. But we're not going to do this. We're just going to go to HeyGen library and choose a voice here. So let's try Jessica Ann Bogart. Let's hear it.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hope.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it.
Andrew.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it.
That's crazy. Sean.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice bring.
But I actually think that Hope is the best choice here because it's also like top matches based on the avatar that we have created. So I think Hope is the best. Let's actually hear again Jessica Ann.
Hey there, here's how I sound.
Actually, let's use this one, right? So we're going to use this one, select voice. So you can actually preview like the whole script with the voice that you've chosen by clicking on the play button. So let's click on the play button and
I've
see.
learned that people forget what you said, forget what you did, but they'll never forget how you made them feel.
And as you can see, it also adds some emotion behind it. It just doesn't only read the script, it also adds emotion behind it, which is crazy. And if we click on advanced, again, you can describe gestures and facial expressions you want. So let's say I want, let's go back here. It's only for the paid version. But you can say, for example, again, warm and welcoming, or I want her to feel angry, to have an angry facial expression. And of course, these are, again, add-ons. So you don't need to stress about this. You can change, of course, the resolution to full HD, right? But again, this is for the paid version of HeyGen. But again, just for demonstrative purposes, we can 100% use 720p. And you can use 720p if you're just experimenting with AI photo to video content. So let's click on generate video. And now we wait for this video to be generated. You can see it right here rendering. And when it's like 100%, we can actually go ahead and view it. And I'm super excited to see what we created here. So now the AI video is rendered, and let's actually go ahead and check it out. So I'm clicking on play, and here it is.
I've learned that people forget what you said, forget what you did, but they'll never forget how you made them feel.
Wow. We literally turned a drawing into a talking video. Let's see it one more time. It's so insane.
I've learned that people forget what you said, forget what you did, but they'll never forget how you made them feel.
Imagine being able to turn like your drawings and something that you've literally like drawn into a like video and into a personal brand on YouTube with like content.
I've
How
learned that
crazy
people
is
forget
this?
what you said, forget what you did.
And also like the movement of everything is so natural. And again, you can download this, you can share this, you can export this, and you can like start producing content with this, and you can actually produce like bigger videos. So again, I'm absolutely blown away with this feature here. And just as we turned a photo to video with adding a script, you can do the exact same thing with the script to video feature. So again, with the script to video, you first of all choose your avatar exactly like as we have been doing in the avatar section. Let's say, for example, that I want to choose this look of my avatar or this look of my avatar, right? And you can, of course, go ahead and create more looks for your avatars and choose or even different avatars. And you can literally just type your script down here, which is pretty much the exact same thing that we did inside of the studio section of Agent, but now it's just more accessible with this template here for the script to avatar video. So again, you create a sample script, like you literally, like you can choose whatever script you want. You can make this bigger, you can make this smaller. You have like a 30-second maximum, let's say, threshold of the videos you're able to generate with 420 characters. And keep in mind that these are like 129 characters. But for experimentation purposes, it's like absolutely awesome, right? And with the exact same reasoning that we did in the photo to video section, just by choosing your motion engine, just by choosing like the resolution of your output and some advanced features if you want to make them like angry or describe the gestures and facial expressions, you can go ahead and actually start producing videos from scripts with the avatars that you have created. And that's the biggest difference between Hagen and other AI video generation software out there. The fact that you can create your avatars, you can analyze your biometric data, and you can have this avatar of yours with all of the different looks of your avatar in your library. So now you can script based on this avatar. You can start generating videos based on this avatar. And again, it doesn't even need to be a cloned version of yourself. You can like choose your favorite avatar from the avatar catalog section inside of Hagen, and you can just keep using this again and again and again for your content while building trust around this persona. So again, I need to be super clear here. You don't need to clone yourself in order to use Hagen. You can just use one of the like wide variety of avatars that are included inside of this software here. So again, I'm not going to be creating this video because it's like super straightforward and I feel like you got the point, and it's super easy to use. Again, the user interface of Hagen. Again, you input the image here and the script, or you already have the avatar of yours and the script, and it's the exact same process of producing the video. I feel like now that we're done with like the avatar section and you know exactly how to clone yourself and how to create like new avatars and how to turn a picture with a script into a video, or your target avatar itself combined with script to a new video, it is time to actually move and analyze the video agent section of Hagen and actually explore all of the different AI video production methods inside of Hagen apart from the AI avatar. So that's what we're going to be doing in the next lessons of this course. I'm super excited to have you here. And again, this is just the beginning of AI content. Just you're not ready of what we're going to be exploring in the next lessons.